We work with us. Let's see if we can find this thing before it gets dark. This is really just their kind of cutoff road. It doesn't get you there. I just always go here because fucking Google fucks me up. Oh, I almost lost that motherfucker. Woo! The front end want to wash out so bad. Ooh, that was a good save. And yeah, I'm apprehensive as hell. My anxiety is pretty high right this second. It won't be so bad. My head low enough so I can see, but damn, this sun's bright. Need the adventure helmet. First drop. Fuck. Gotta hit it fast. Give me twice. Whew. Yeah, not too bad. Close up. At least I was recording. I got this shot. Oh yeah, that's not bad. This motherfucker again. Whew. All right, we made it.
Hey, honey.
Hey, baby. I made it.
Did you make it?
Yep. I dropped my bike.
Huh?
I dropped the bike.
Is everything okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, first drop. It was slow. Slow drop. These are my last turn. Turned into the road that takes me to the camp.
Yeah.
Goddamn, I slowed down too much and it just went. Boop.
Oh my goodness.
It was slow, very slow fall. And I got it filmed, baby.
You did?
Yes.
Yay!
Fucking
I'm
awesome.
glad you're okay though.
Oh, me too.
And the bike's okay.
Yeah, oh, for sure.
Yay, I'm so excited for you. You did it. You're there.
I'm here. We're doing it.
You're doing it. Yes, exactly.
Hey. So. This is difficult. I'm not that strong anymore. These trees. The trees are more powerful. this hard. Oh, it's gonna work. I guess I should have pitched it on the ground. Fucking stupid. Fuck you, man. Anxiety. Get my chair, my table set up so I can have a step 2.
Oh, the Grey Goose is good. Yeah, cool. Check this shit out. The merch. I'm gonna show you guys this for people.
Watching dog live stream while I finish step 1.
Me. My storage shop, Amazon, but yeah. Underneath my car. That's how bad the weather was. Washington in August. Are you interested in any law harassment? Not a bit. Hey, Spaz.
What up?
Join membership. Okay, hey, thanks, Todd. I got some stuff coming, man, so really, I appreciate any support you guys have. Anyway, but I would also...
Alright, I'm thoroughly whooped. Dropped the bike for the first time. I guess y'all see that on some point in this video, and I'm gonna sit down, listen to Don talk, shoot the shit with some of these other guys, and have a step 2. So I'll see you at the other end of this video. I don't know. Hey, what's up, guys? Finally got camp set up. We're gonna do a low level with the Haven tonight because I got 2 little trees that won't quite hold my big ass up. So I just got it on the ground a little bit. This will be nice. Now it's time for step 2.
Forest here breaks chair. It's not me. It's not me. I didn't do it. Helinox.
Y'all can hear Don.
Just warranty the freaking chair, man. I gotta be comfortable when I'm chilling at the campsite. All right, so I gotta figure out how to pull this chat back up, y'all.
All right.
How do I do that?
All right, guys. I'm not gonna be doing a lot of filming tonight. This is my first solo stealth camp trip.
Kermit.
And I'm gonna enjoy it. So film what I can and
awesome.
make up what I can't. Later, guys.
So, Brian, on this channel, my videos go back to about 2009. I've got 3 or 4 other older channels. I think a couple of them go back to the beginning, like 2006. I want to say I want to hang out with you, but dude, you got a fucking black cloud hanging out with you. I'm gonna to go till my freaking batteries die or till you can't see me anymore. You still hear me. I can still pester you. I can still ASMR. Here, let me have some whiskey here.
The funny motherfucker's gone.
So I can do some ASMR. Oh, that's some really good M&Ms. I think it may be bonded. Been stung while riding. I have been stung in my fucking back of my throat by a yellow dragon. I don't know how. Had my mouth open and yeah, that hurt. That message retracted. Gary, what the hell are you censoring yourself?
Gary's talking mad shit.
Brian posted a, well, he sent me a picture of it.
It's funny, sitting out here
Nasty, but
in the middle of the woods by myself on my first ever solo stealth camping. And Don's on the live stream. And so it's like I'm here chilling my bros. So it's not like I'm out here in the middle of the woods alone. It's like just chilling with other people that are somebody's somewhere else in the woods. Moto Giant.
Ding. About half, more than half the bottle in, because nobody will leave. I gotta stay until the batteries run out. So
Okay.
until everybody starts leaving, it's just me and Carl. Then me and Carl and say our love, respect, goodbyes. Carl is out on his first solo stealth camping in a spot that you may have seen our live stream out there several weeks back. But I think you're still out there, aren't you, Carl?
Yes, I am.
All right, my ass.
And this is awesome.
Let me get up.
God, I hope this audio's picking this up. This is awesome. Very cool. Just hanging out with your friends.
Barrels, I call them cable through and tightening down. A bunch of little things like that. I've tried the best. You good? You can hear me? Can you hear me? Swingers. There you go. Good job. No, it's good. Swingers. Yeah. That's the cringiest fucking movie I've ever seen.
Yes, I know.
Whatever you do, don't call her. You fucking call her. Purple heads. I don't know what that is. I can't believe there's still 21 people watching. You guys must
Fuck
be
yeah, dude.
so desperate for entertainment. All right. Tell me what y'all want to know, man. Barry Hill.
Everybody's
Hey,
telling me
man,
what
just
they
came
want
back with 1,000 mile
to
adventure
know.
moto camping, 5 states. Yeah, dude, that's a pretty good. That's good numbers, dude. 5 states, 4 days, 1,000 miles. Dude, that's respect. That's respect. Everybody needs to go 5 states. Everybody needs to go 5 states. It changes you, man, because I keep saying this. Shit like that changes you. Moving states away, thousands of miles away, changes you. True or false?
True.
Anybody else?
I said true.
I'm listening.
Oh yeah, this is a live stream on YouTube. He can't hear me. I'm gonna keep filming.
If I'm doing 200 plus miles a day, I'm doing about $20 of gas a day, period. No way around that. So there's $20 in gas traveling. So now I'm thinking, okay, where do I want to go that's freaking awesome? Like Durango area. Yeah, it's awesome down here. If I go north from here, it's awesome. Pretty much anywhere you go north of here is awesome. North of Durango is awesome. You can't stop anywhere that's not awesome. So then it becomes a, half day of travel. So 100 and something miles. So you're down $15 a day travel. I'm getting to the point where now I just really don't like, I don't like breaking camp. I don't like setting up camp. Well, I like setting up camp. I like getting on the road, but I don't like breaking camp. It's a pain in the ass. It's like 2 hours. It's misery. I don't like doing it anymore.
So, getting to the end of this first ever solo stealth moto camping or moto stealth camping adventure. Just figured I needed to have a bit of a sign off of some sort. It's been a fun night. Was basically on the Moto Giant's live stream for several hours. So it was just like hanging out with my friends and being in the woods with no concerns, no cares. So I recommend getting out and doing it as often as possible. Thanks for watching, guys.